Sometimes I have to separate peeps.
Why don't you zoom in a little?
All right, here I go. Here I go. Let me just collect my thoughts. All right. All right. Go ahead. Okay, you are going to need 2 sticks, 3/8 of an inch. You're going to need a rolling pin. Notice the size. We have several different kinds of rolling pins. Don't get a lousy rolling pin. Just like the scissors, not all rolling pins are created equal. Some have been used and abused, but we don't throw anything out. We use everything. Okay? So, because there's always a use for it. I have a needle tool, which I'm going to use today, but I just wanted to point out these modeling tools. These are very helpful. So, the tool table is over yonder. There are buckets that look like this. You collect some tools and you share. What else do I need? All right, I've got my 2 sticks, got my rolling pin. I have my template. I'm going to need a ruler, and this is for my circle. Okay? So I'm going to get clay, ruler. This is the whole tool table. Take this bag, and I need this to cut it. Okay? Alright, so I already have my 2 designs. I have, this one's very simple. A is for Angela, M is for Murray. I'm going to use the 2-face design. It's a volleyball symbol. My daughter's into volleyball. This is my other one that I'm kind of working on. Again, another 2-faced, but you know I'm into that pattern, which I've done to wrap the form a couple of times. So it's really up to you. All right, the first thing I'm going to need to do is cut my clay. I wish I didn't get this. I'm working on it, smiling while I do this. Some people say I make a lot of faces. Oh, here's another thing I want to show you. This clay's been used, but it doesn't matter. So we wedge. And this is wedging. All right? This is compressing any of the air bubbles out of the clay and getting it back to usable, workable state.
Wedging or kneading.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just like kneading dough when you people who bake do this.
Muscles, huh? Okay.
I'm not using a lot of muscles. I'm using my weight, and I'm using.
Oh, so use your body.
Yeah.
And arms.
Yeah. I'm not sitting down. I had. I mean, this is how people.
Whoa. Should that be on video?
That's not gonna work. Okay. You got to put your body into it sometimes. All right. So.
That's part of the pleasure of working
Here's
with clay.
how you get it so that you can start rolling it.
Wow.
Notice I'm not like.
It's like PG.
Alright, so I want it to be long and wide. I want it to be. So I'm not even doing this. I'm not even rolling. I'm doing this. Picking it up. And when we get into printmaking, that technique will be used again.
Keep it thick.
Shh. Alright, so, I see a little air bubble there. Pop, pop. So if at first you don't succeed, you try again. But I think you're going to succeed the first time because you're watching so intently and you're being such a good audience. Checking it. Now these sticks are like when you go bowling. These give me a little added insurance that I'm not going to go any lower than that because the sticks are here and the rolling pin is here. So I know I'm not going any lower. I want this clay to be the consistent thickness throughout. Notice the beautiful craftsmanship of that. The whole thing, 3/4 of an inch, Ben, over here. 3/4 of an inch thickness all the way around. Not thick, thin, all the same. Uniform. That's called quality craftsmanship.
You're good at this.
I had a little practice. But, yeah, believe me, this is the hardest part of the whole deal.